Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Bahira, student ID 2025 10 2005, kelas A. I request permission to correct my attendance marks as I was absent at that 6 meeting and to submit the assignment that I could not complete at the time. Now I will explain the context of the paper, title, meaning, and the necessity, or meaning and the necessity in semantic prepared by Group 8. Bab 1 Introduction. 1. Background. Language is the primary means of human communication. Every day we convey ideas, feelings, and the information through language that they success of communication depends not only on the words spoken but also on the understanding of the meaning context within them. Without clear meaning, messages can be misunderstood, cause misinterpretation, or even lead to complex communication failure. Differences in interpretation often rise due to different social, cultural, and situational background. I fear in the current run of artificial intelligence or AI, the biggest challenge is teaching systems to understanding human language, meaning that is flexible and the culture bound. This is why this material is very important to study. 2. Problem formulation. This paper discusses the following meaning point. What is definition of meaning and the semantic? What are the types and the characteristics of meaning? Why is clarity of meaning an absolute necessity? How is this understanding applies in daily life? Bab 2 Basic concepts of meaning. 1. Definition of meaning. Meaning is the context, intention, or message or thoughts or being, language, symbols, whether spoken, students, or letters from. According to existence in this paper, meaning is an agree relationship among language users. We agree that the letters H, how is referred to a specific forest animal, not to something else. It is these agreements that make us language understanding able to all. Two characteristics of meaning. Meaning has four inseparable characteristics. Four, by mutual agreement. It is not created arbitrary label one person. Example, we agree to call an object for 6 things HR can change over time. Example, they will paper precisely means only his from writing, but noun also refer to electronic document. Always related to context. One word can have different meaning depending on the situation of use. Without meaning would have net action, I sickness of sounds or writing. Without meaning is just noise or makes no significance. 3. Process of meaning formation. Meaning is through three sequential stages. First, the speaker has an intention or message to convey. Second, the speaker chooses language symbol that has been mutually agreed upon. Third, the center interpret those symbols to match the speaker interaction. Bab 3. Concept of semantics and the types of meaning. 1. Definition of semantics. The word semantics comes from the Greek word semantikus, which means that which gives meaning. Semantics is a branch of linguistics. They specifically study the meaning of language units ranging from phrases, sentences, to whole discourses. Unlike dictionary, that only lists where definition semantics examines things more deeply. How meaning is from what it can share. Relationship between meaning and the how to ensure messages are conveyed accurately. Two types of meaning. This paper explains two main types of meaning: connotative, cultural meaning, meaning according to general agreement and the dictionary. Definition objective. In nature, example, market whence I place for buy, eating, and the selling goods. Book mix, a collection of written pages. Connotative meaning. Additional meaning attached to the original meaning. Related to culture, core feelings. Example, loose leaf means someone how often refill cigarettes he lets flower. Links a believer in their feelings. There are also social meaning, such as using the word you respectfully. For are older people and the emotional meaning that convey the speaker feelings. Bab 4. The necessity of meaning clarity. 1. The meaning of necessity of semantics. The word necessity here does not refer to physical mix such as food, but the absolute micro certainty, clarity, and the precision of meanings to the communication ran effectively. Language serves to unite understanding, i.e., meaning is vague. The purpose of communication will not be achieved. A statement is considered true if its meaning matches reality. For example, the sun rises in the east is true, while the moon rises in the south has clear meaning, but that's not facts. 2. The role of context in determining meaning. Meaning does not stand alone, but depends on three types of context. Linguistics context. Surrounding word. Example from the word find. Fine cloth means smooth. Fine fix means polite. Situational context. Time, place, and the interlocutor. Example for the sentence is means do, not speak. When someone is crying, it's lean, calm down. Cultural context, locals, costumes, example, literan, today, RC of all means someone has passed away. 3. Avoiding ambiguity, clarity of meaning, aims to prepare. Ambiguity, which means one sentence has more than valid meaning. Example, mother saw her child with glasses. Is could be mother wearing glasses, or the child wearing glasses. Child's errors can have fatal consequences in legal documents, school regulation, or health news. Bab 5. Closing. 1. Application of the material. The understanding is useful for daily communication, helping us speak appropriately and avoid misunderstanding. Language learning help us future teacher explain the word meanings that's not only come from dictionary but also dependent on context. Literary analysis, understanding implied meaning in poetry, house stories, or proverbs such as heavy together for, lie together clarity, meaning cooperation, technologies, helping computer systems understanding human language, comment accuracy to conclusion. In summary, meaning is the core of language. Without clarity, communication is ineffective. Semantics is decision, the standing meaning in depth. The need from state of meaning is absolute to prevent misunderstanding. This material is useful in all every aspect of life. 3. Suggestions. three suggestions and the closing. Suggestions from Lewis paper. We need to keep practicing using appropriate language and always pay attention to context when speaking or writing. They is all my explanation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.